Aloha, Michael here. I'm a retired CPA, but still enjoy helping small businesses run better companies and make more money. So in this channel, here's what I'm gonna do. Post some videos that'll help small businesses run better companies. As I began to create the various episodes, I realized we needed to talk first a little bit about why a company needs bookkeeping. I know I'm an accountant, but bear with me here and you'll see where I'm going with this. Over the years, I have found that most small businesses don't see the value of bookkeeping until tax time. Truth be told, you can't really go too far into the conversation of running a better company if you don't keep good books. Your chances of lasting longer than a couple years go south. I mean, not having enough working cash can certainly cause you to fail, or not having a map to help plan ahead won't help your cause either. Obviously, knowing there's demand for what you sell and who's buying it is totally critical. But how are you going to know these things if you're not tracking your results? You need good bookkeeping to do that. So what is bookkeeping in its most basic form? It's recording all the company's transactions. Money in, money out, track what's owed to us and how much do we owe others. Are we profitable and generating cash, or has it gone the other way? And I'm going to give you a big tip here. Keep the books current, meaning daily. Bookkeeping involves details. Make your life simpler by staying on top of the data and reap the rewards of good books. I'm going to say that again so it sinks in. Reap the rewards of good books, such as measuring your results. This is my favorite. The real reason you do bookkeeping is to get reports. I'm sure you've heard over the years, you can manage what you measure, and what you measure you can improve. Another benefit is taxes. Keeping your books current avoids scrambling at tax time. No surprises on April 15th. It's a fact of life. If you're going to make money, you're going to pay taxes. But now you can meet with your CPA during the year to see what you can do about reducing those taxes. Budgeting your taxes quarterly eliminates those annoying penalties and interest. Paying taxes is bad enough, but tacking on these unnecessary charges is like throwing gas on the fire. Budgeting your cash to pay the taxes when you actually earn the income before you've had a chance to spend it is way better than doing the April 15th two-step to cover last year's taxes, or worse, the October 15th hat dance if you filed an extension. Last-minute cash maneuvers at tax time can wreak havoc on your business cash flow. On a happier note, this is a really good reason why bookkeeping is needed. When you're tracking your results, your goals have purpose. They're no longer dreams or wishes. When you're able to compare where you are to where you want it to be, adjustments and corrective actions naturally happen. Applying strategies like the 80-20 rule or simply grouping your clients differently. An idea yesterday that may have felt out of the box now makes sense. Getting those creative juices flowing, you become more productive. With this kind of knowledge, you can't help but be more proactive, motivated, and yes, excited, detecting problems before they become showstoppers. Now, everything we just talked about makes good business sense, but none is more important than keeping a good set of books to prove what your company is worth. I tell my clients all the time the most important asset you're producing is not the services or products you deliver, but the company itself. When the time comes, and it will come, you will want to sell your company, your legacy. I'm telling you right now, potential buyers want good books to sink their teeth into. They need proof your company does what you say it does, or the value goes way down. Bankers and investors care too. While you're up and running, working hard to grow your business, having a line of credit can be critical. Having no books makes getting loans much harder. If you do get the loan, they're at a higher interest rate with more difficult terms. I know what you're saying. It's just bookkeeping, Michael. Please, you're killing me. But you ask any successful business owner, they'll all say it. You have to know your numbers. You can't run your business from your checkbook. Constantly going online to see what checks have cleared, totaling your deposits to get sales is no way to run a business. Keeping good books is not rocket science, but it is the fuel that powers your company. I hope now you understand a little bit better why you need bookkeeping. May your debits always equal your credits. Aloha.